Assalamu alaikum, doctor, and very good evening to you. I'm going to present my research papers. Uh, Actually, the first paper's title it is a requirement engineering perspective to AI-based system development version paper. During this presentation for first research paper, we're going to short form of the RE based on the requirement engineering. And what is the challenges and issue for this paper? It mentioned that there are some unique challenges and traditional requirement engineering RE. They mentioned this system frequently display on predictable behavior due to their learning capability and data dependencies, which complicated to a specific requirement. And classical requirement engineering practices are insufficient for addressing issues such as transparency, ethics, and the dynamic nature of AI systems. The necessitating an evolved approach to RE tailored specifically for artificial intelligence integration. And this slide is going to some techniques used to solve that previous challenges. The first one, iterative requirement elicitation, and the second one, scenarios based on requirements, and the third one is non-functional requirement that known as NFRS, such as transparency, fairness, and robustness, which are critical for AI system, but often overlooked in traditional software. So, what is that? Those data mentioned in this paper. The data is a foundation of AI system, and the paper highlight the necessity of high quality and representative data for training AI model. It stressed that importance of the specifying data requirement early in the requirement engineering process, including data sources and quality attributes and privacy concern, and ensuring data integrity and addressing the references are also a critical aspect of the discussed in the context of this paper. So, how about the validation? This paper is going to mention about the validation based on the simulation and prototyping, empirical studies, and continuous monitoring. And the next title is about recommendation to improve the solution. This paper is recommend for solution improvement. So the first one, enhance stakeholders engagement. It's very important actually in all uh, engineering development procedure, especially for this title. That means ensuring the continuous and comprehensive engagement with all stakeholders to capture diverse requirements and perspectives. The second one, interdisciplinary collaboration, promoting collaboration between RE experts, AI specialists, and domain experts to address the multifaceted nature of the AI system. The third one, the third improvement is tool support, developing and using advanced tools that can handle the complexity of the AI, such as tools for automated requirement analysis and management. And the fourth one, and last one also, but not least, education and training, the providing education and training for research engineering professionals on AI technology and their implication for requirement engineering. So this all about the first paper, and now we are going to second paper. The title for second paper is Requirement Engineering Challenges for AI Intensive System Development. So what's the issue? What's the challenges? What's the problem for this paper, research paper? The main problem addressed is the challenge of requirement engineering for AI intensive system. So it means this systems such as autonomous driving or a smart home application need to adapt to complex and dynamic environments. Traditional requirement engineering processes are often insufficient due to unpredictable nature of AI behavior and the need for these systems to function in a variety of contexts. So, how about the uh, solution for previous challenges and problems? There are four solutions. The first one is contextual definition and requirement, and data requirement and quality attributes, and performance metrics and monitoring. And the last one is human factors, that is talking about how user interact with the AI system, ensuring user acceptance, and considering the impact of the human behavior on system performance. So, what kind of data and information already involved with this paper? This second research paper emphasized the critical role of data in AI system, which discussed that need to handle various types of the data, for example, driver data and vehicle data, and the importance of data quality and integrity. The quality of data directly impacts the performance and safety of the AI models, making it essential to define data requirements and ensure data consistency across different contexts. Okay, the next title about the validation. What is the validation and the factors, and what explanation about that regarding the second paper? To validate the approaches and techniques, the paper proposed a combination of qualitative exploratory studies as well as schematic analysis. This involves collecting data through interviews and focus group with industry experts and stakeholders, which followed by validating and evaluating about those findings. This method assists in gaining a more profound comprehension of the obstacles and making efficient solution customized to real-world setting. So how about the last title about the solution improvement? The second paper is mentioned and categorized in four uh, um, important subtitle. That the first one, enhance context definition. The second one, improve data management. And third one is continuous monitoring. And the last one, human-centric design. So now we are going to clarify and more deep explanation about what happened to third paper. The third paper title is Requirement Engineering for Artificial Intelligence System, a systematic mapping study. So, what's the challenge and problem for this for third paper? The primary software engineering problem identified in the study is the independency of traditional requirement engineering practices for AI systems. traditional requirement engineering methods do not sufficiently declaration the unique challenges posed by AI components, such as the need for vast amount of data, dynamic and adaptable requirement, as well as integration of ethical consideration like transparency and explainability. The third one for this issue is going to existing tool and methodology are often not suitable for capturing and managing the specific requirement of AI system. So what's the uh, solution and how to solve this kind of trouble and issues? The contextual definition, the first one, model, cards and documentation, and non-functional requirement. All three solutions that assigned for third paper. So how about data? The data is importance of data in AI system cannot be exaggerated. And also the study emphasized the need for high quality, diverse and representative data sets to train AI models. And the third one is also discussed the requirement for data integrity, privacy and security. Non-functional requirements related to data, such as data provenance and governance and life cycle management, are critical to ensuring the reliability and responsibility of artificial intelligence systems. So how about the validation? The validation is based on three subcategories. Performance monitoring, which is continuous monitoring of AI system to track performance and detect differences or meanings in behavior. Empirical evaluation, systematic empirical study and testing in control environment to validate AI models against the defined requirement and expected outcomes. And the last one, the real-time feedback mechanism, which is implementing feedback loop that allow for real-time adjustment and improvement of AI system based on their performance in real-world scenarios. And the last one is going to solution improvement. The first one is integration of ethics and transparency. The second one, collaborative approaches. And third one is advanced tooling and automation. And the last one, education and training. Based on my understanding, the second and third is very important that I'm explaining very briefly. About the collaborative approaches, temporary collaboration between stakeholders, including developers, domain expert, and end user, to capture diverse perspective and requirement comprehensively. And third one, advanced tooling and automation, develop and adopt advanced tools and automation technique to assist in research engineering process, particularly for handling complex data requirement and continuous validation. And the next slide is about the online tools and references that I have used. And thank you so much for your time, doctor, to my presentation. And Assalamu alaikum.